friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to do article submissions and how they can boost your website's SEO efforts. First, let us understand what article submissions are. Article submissions involve submitting unique, high quality articles to various article directories or websites. These articles contain valuable content that not only provides useful information to readers but also include a link back to your website, generating quality backlinks. Why are article submission in SEO important? Well, they help you to improve your website's visibility, increase referral traffic, and enhance your online reputation. When you submit articles to reputable directories, they have the potential to reach a wider audience, increasing the chances of acquiring new visitors and potential customers. To successfully do article submissions, follow these key steps. Step 1: Content creation. Once a target audience has been identified, the next step is the creation of high quality relevant content. This content should be informative, engaging, and provide value to the reader. Additionally, it should contain appropriate keywords and links to improve its search engine ranking. Step 2: Selecting article submission sites. After creating the content, the next step involves selecting suitable article submission sites. Conduct thorough research to find authoritative article directories relevant to your niche. Look for directories with high domain authority and a good reputation and should cater to the identified target audience. It is advised to choose a mixture of free and paid platforms to increase the visibility of the published article. Step 3: Submission of article. The following step involves is submitting the article to the chosen platforms. When submitting your article, include a compelling title and meta description to capture readers' attention. Add relevant keywords strategically to optimize your article for search engines. Don't forget to incorporate your website link within the body of the article or in the author bio section. Some sites may require the submission of an article summary, while others may demand the full text. Before submitting your article, make sure to check the submission guidelines of the target directory. Each directory may have its own specific requirements. Follow these guidelines carefully to increase your chances of acceptance. Step 4 is engagement. Engage with the readers, respond to comments and queries to build a rapport with the audience. And last step 5 is monitoring and tracking. After submission, the process does not end. It is crucial to monitor and track the performance of the published article. Use analytics to gauge the article's reach, engagement, and impact on the website traffic. This data can then be used to refine future article submission strategies. Analyze which directories perform best and explore opportunities for improvement. Remember, the goal of article submission is to establish yourself as an authoritative figure in your niche and drive organic traffic to your website. Put in the effort to consistently submit valuable articles and watch your SEO efforts flourish. Let us see practically how you can submit your articles to the article submission sites. I will show you two websites where there is instant approval of the articles. First one is other articles. As you can see, the page authority is high 50 and is having 3,795 links and domain authority 33. Spam score is very low, 2%. First of all, you have to sign up to this website. Just click on this to sign up. Click on this setting bar and click on sign up. After submitting all your details like your name, username and email and password, then click on register. As you can see, our account has been created and an activation link has been sent to the email address. Let us check. As you can see, we got the activation link. Just click on this activation link. Then just we have to use the username. You should create the Excel sheet like that in website, a domain authority, profile URL, business URL, and username and password and date on which it is created and remarks if it is submitted or not, or whether it is uploaded, your articles uploaded or not. You can place that remarks here. And then as you can see, our account is being created. To write the article, you can here click on view profile. As you can see, is there on edit account. You can write it there. And after adding your author's bio and adding your profile new photo profile photo, and then you can also add Facebook link and LinkedIn if you have, and then click on this right button. As you can see, our profile is being edited, and now we can copy this profile URL and paste in the Excel sheet. And to write the article, click on this pencil button. Now we have to select the category. As we are writing in digital marketing, so I am selecting category marketing, and then we have to see subcategory, and we can select as online marketing, and we have to give the title now. And after here we have to copy the paste the article summary of about 120 characters. And after pasting your article, you can also put in quotation mark. For example, for this, just copy this and then use this quotation mark. It will be like, it will form in quotations. So you can add it in quotation also if you want first for first one. And here you have to select the first one should be in heading H1 header, and second one should be H2 header, like this. And now you have to add the link. Go to your blog articles and paste the link here. Target new window, and here copy the uh, link, and here URL you have to select none, and at target you can select new window and click OK. So you have added a link, and you can add up to 2 links. You should make sure the links you are adding should be relevant to the article, like should be the same topic. If you're discussing about digital marketing, any two of topics like SEO or Google Pay ads, and in this you are adding about telling about digital marketing Google ads, then the link should be go to Google ads only. Put the information about the Google ads only. After adding links, and here you should add the keywords, and then click on additional option, and here click on no republish and search in access do follow. Simply after adding your content here, and first of all you have to select the category, and then you have to write the article title, and then the article summary of about 120 characters, then paste the article and make sure you follow the headers. like H1 to H2, then H3 and 4, and so on. I should add the link here, and after adding the link, add the keywords, additional options, and here select no republish, and here select do follow and click on this right button. As you can see, our article is being added successfully. We'll copy that link and paste it in our Excel sheet, and you may check it in. You can check it in incognito window. Open the incognito window, and as you can see, this is about our topic, and as you can see, our article been submitted in this website. As and go to your dashboard. As you can see, this is our article, and here we can see we will getting 2 views. You should make sure to monitor and track your article, whether how much views it's getting, is there any engagement. You can see is here he's giving the views and likes and saves, and in this way you can submit article in this site. I will show you another website. Now I will show you another website to post the article, and here is another article is articleed.com, that is having high domain authority 44. Okay, first of all you have to sign up. To sign up, click on this sign up button, and after adding your username and email and password, click on sign up. And as you can see, we have to verify this account. Go to your Gmail box, activation me email, just click on that link, and we have successfully verified the email address. Now we may log in to continue. After pasting the email and password, click on login, and click on home page. Before submitting article in this website, any article submission website, we have to check the guidelines. As in this case, uh, they say we do not allow URLs and titles or description of the article. Here we can include 3 links in the article, and there is a minimum of 800 characters. We can add 3 links in this article, and to add the article, click on this plus button, and here we have to write the title name. And after adding the title and selecting your category name, you should have to write the short description. Then you have to select the article image, and now write the article here, paste the article. If you want to add any content in your quotes, just select the content and select these quotes. Okay, in this way you can add the content in quotes. And first of all, you should make sure you should follow the heading lines in order, H1, H2, and then H3. Okay, and as you can know, we can add here in this website up to 3 links, and make sure that that link should be relevant to the topic. To add the link, copy the link. First of all, copy the link from your blog and then select the text and select this link and paste here, and we have to select the link tab as URL. We have to select the link tab as URL and target new window. Okay, then click on OK. Adding the links, click on post your article. As you can see, your article is successfully posted. Then back to home page. And here select, go in this, then go to here, select my articles. As you can see, it is waiting for approval. As you can see, after a couple of days, our article is being approved, and as you can see, the status is active. Go to here, my page, and as you can see, here is our article. Click on this article. As you can see, our article is submitted in this website. In this way, you can submit your articles to article submission sites. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable SEO tips and tricks. Happy article submissions, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.